How can you feel totally safe? Definitely with Perenio. The device has a PIR sensor that will detect strangers in your house. You will immediately get a notification on your smartphone. It is very easy to mount. Please remove the battery insulating strip before use. Install the Perenio Smart mobile application, register a new user account, enter your name, password, and your country of residence. Then wait for a confirmation email. Click the plus icon in the Devices tab to activate the motion sensor. Press and hold the reset button on the sensor until the indicator starts blinking. Change the sensor name in the application as desired. You can mount it where you want. Your home is safe as a fortress with Perenio.